Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I am Joe Tigay. As we're heading into 2020, some quick thoughts of the next year. Of course, everyone's talking about the inflation trade, the reflation trade, whatever you want to call it. The Fed is finally going to accept above 2% inflation. They're going to let the economy run hot to try to get back the jobs we had lost last summer. And everyone's kind of already pricing that in. Now, sometimes when you kind of get a crowded trade like this, there's the risk of being right, but right too early. And often, as we know, being right early is just as bad as being wrong. Of course, inflation might not be there right away as the economy continues to shuffle itself out. I'd be watching housing and wages. Those are the two biggest factors on inflation. If those aren't there right away, we're going to have some trouble getting that inflation. And if we don't get that inflation, then are these asset prices truly justified at these high PEs? That remains to be seen. Now, the flip side of the coin is, yeah, the economy could run hot. We absolutely could see more inflation than we had previously thought. And these prices are too low. I mean, I'm talking maybe a stimulus package again with the new administration, maybe an infrastructure bill, something to just justify these high prices, grow the economy, and create even more GDP, which would raise the valuations even further. So I think with inflation, you're at risk of being in cash. Without inflation, these asset prices are too high. VIX, that's what we're come here today, always for. It's at the low end of the range, again, at this 22 level. We were around 21 on Monday, spiked up, of course, with seemingly not a lot happening above 22. Really, we're going to be range bound, this 20 to 25, like I've been saying for a while, and I want to see a break one way or another to kind of get some sort of definition on the market. That said, I do expect increased volatility for 2021. Of course, rates are going to remain low. With low rates, I think higher volatility will be the norm, and these higher asset prices, these higher valuations, you will see more quick fluctuations in asset prices, so we should get used to that for 2020. Happy New Year, everybody. I'm Joe Tigay for Equity Armor Investments.